Good morning. Thank you for joining me for story time today. I'm celebrating Dr. Seuss. Let's get started. If you like Dr. Seuss, clap your hands. If you like Dr. Seuss, clap your hands. If you like Dr. Seuss, then when the Grinch is on the loose. If you like Dr. Seuss, clap your hands. If you like green eggs and ham, stamp your feet. If you like green eggs and ham, stamp your feet. If you like green eggs and ham, then go tell Sam I am. If you like green eggs and ham, stamp your feet. If you like the cat in the hat, shout hooray, hooray. If you like the cat in the hat, shout hooray, hooray. If you like the cat in the hat, though he makes the fish so mad. If you like the cat in the hat, shout hooray, hooray. If you want to hear a story, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Hooray! If you want to hear a story, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Hooray! If you like to hear a story, then your face will surely show it. If you like to hear a story, do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Hooray! Yay! So up I stretch on my tippy toe. Down to touch my heels I go. Up again my arms I send, down again my knees I bend. Woohoo! I have a new poem about 5 little kitties, and I thought we would do it on the whiteboard. So let me get a little closer. One little kitty on a sunny day. Put on his hat and went out to play. Two little cats when the sky turned dark, put on their hats and went to the park. 3 little cats, when the sky turned blue, put on their hats and went to the zoo. 4 little cats. Ooh. By the kitchen door. Put on their hats and went to the store. 5 little cats, another triangle, isn't that fun? 5 little cats on a sunny day. Put on their hats and went away. Let's try that again. 1 little cat on a sunny day put on his hat and went out to play. 2 little cats, when the sky turned dark, put on their hats and went to the park. 3 little cats, when the sky turned blue, put on their hats and went to the zoo. 4 little hats, by the kitchen door, put on their hats and went to the store. 5 little cats, when on a sunny day, put on their hats and went away. You know, we could probably do that just like we do the 5 little speckled frogs on the paper towel roll. We could do 5 little cats just like that. That would be fun too. Maybe Miss Sherri will get one of those ready for next time. Okay, I have a great great story for you coming up on the flannel board. 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Three Billy Goat brothers that lived on the north side of the bridge, and they had enjoyed lots of delicious grass over the winter, but the pasture was very thin and there wasn't much to eat, and they looked over on the south side of the bridge, and oh, what a treat! There was lots of fresh grass and some pretty little tasty flowers in that field over the bridge. So they decided to go over the bridge into the south meadow. And so the youngest brother trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trapped over the bridge. And as he got about halfway there, up popped an ugly old troll that lived under the bridge. And he says, "Who dares go over my bridge?" And the little goat brother said, "Well, I do." And he says, "Why?" And he's like, "To get to the other side, because that south meadow is just so delicious. The grass smells wonderful." "Well, I'm going to eat you," says the troll. And the youngest brother says, "Oh, but Mr. Troll, I have 2 other brothers, and they're much bigger than I am and have much more meat, and you should wait for them." "Oh, okay. Well, I'll let you pass then." So the troll goes away. And the little Billy Goat goes to the field. And he's enjoying that meadow grass and tasty little flowers. So along comes the middle brother. Trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap. And obviously he's bigger. And the troll pops up and says, "Where are you going, Mr. Goat?" And the goat says, "I'm crossing the bridge to go to the meadow. The grass smells delicious, and we've eaten all the grass in our field." "Well, I'm hungry, and I'm going to eat you," said the troll. And the brother says, "Oh, but Mr. Troll, there's my biggest brother, my other brother. He's much fatter than I am, and I'm still pretty skinny." And the troll says, "Okay." So he lets the goat pass. Trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap. And the goat brother, he goes into the meadow and starts eating those lovely flowers and delicious grass. And along comes Big Billy Goat brother. Trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, trip trap, whoop, trip trap. And he gets onto the bridge and kind of bends it. And the Billy Goat, or the Mr. Troll, jumps up and says, "Oh, you are big. I am going to eat you." And the big brother says, "Oh, ho, ho," and he charges the troll, and throws him into the water and goes over to the meadow. The end. Those Billy Goats were pretty clever, weren't they? Yeah. Here is a song that you can sing along with. It's called "I Don't Like Green Eggs and Ham." I don't like green eggs and ham, eggs and ham, eggs and ham. I don't like green eggs and ham, Sam, I am. Would you like them here or there, here or there, here or there? Would you like them here That's kind of funny. Here's another one. The cat in the hat came to our house, to our house, to our house. The cat in the hat came to our house that snowy day. The cat in the hat, he made a mess, made a mess, made a mess. The cat in the hat, he made a mess that snowy day. The fish in the bowl, he got so mad, got so mad, got so mad. The fish in the bowl, he got so mad that snowy day. We had to clean the mess before Mom got home. Mom got home. We had to clean the mess that day before that snowy day. Well, I'm sorry to say that's all the time that we have for today. So until we meet again real soon, I'll be seeing you in the library. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn around and round. I can jump upon 2 feet. I can clap and so can you. I can wave, I'll show you how. Story time is done for now. See you next week.